It's Wednesday, the 26th of July. And I taught at our kids' camp today. We did some beginning knitting. I want to personally thank Kathy Schlegel for prepping all my little kits for me. Oh my gosh, she was a godsend. So thank you so much. The kids really, two of them really caught on. The other ones persisted, and they all went home with a bookmark. So it was a good day. Thank you, Kathy. All right, a couple things I want to tell you. We've added some new yarn to the semi-annual sale. You don't want to miss it. We just took it to 25%. So I want to talk about Noble Cotton Tie-Dye. This is Noble Cotton Tie-Dye. How cute is that little hat, right? A little sun hat. Perfect. But this is what the tie-dye does. So it's a little white and color for each one. You would add anything to a plain t-shirt or a tank top or whatever. It's cotton, 100% mercerized cotton. It was $13. It's now $9.75, and it comes in amazing colors. So I have this beautiful turquoise, charcoal gray and white. I have gold, gorgeous. I have this beautiful red, sort of a blood red, really gorgeous red. I have purple, fabulous. Think about the summer tops you want to make. Navy blue and white, how cool would that be with a pair of white jeans? Awesome. Pink, can't ever go wrong with some pink, as they say. Orange and white, which is what the hat was done in. And last but not least, the green and white. So, love it, but it's on sale. Get it while you can. It's a great summer yarn. Love Noble Cotton. It's mercerized. Stitch definition is fabulous, and it's cute as a button. Brooke made this. She just found a bucket hat online. She crocheted this one, but we can find a knitted pattern. So cute. Love it. All right, and we also added Lino by Lang, which is 100% linen. I'm almost positive. Yep, 100% linen by Lang, and it's a tape. If you can see that, it's a flat tape, which is lovely. There's 120 yards on the ball. It was $18. It's now $13.50. We have navy blue, charcoal gray. Again, a great yarn for a summer top or shawl. We have like a celadon, very pretty. Got little tires coming off the ball. Sorry about that. Great color. Terracotta, beautiful color. Gotta have some white. Nothing like a white linen top in the summer, right? We have a purple, love it. And last, an aqua. Beautiful. Lino by Lang. Lang Lino. Now $13.50. Call us. It's on sale. We'll box it up. We'll mail it to you. No charge for tax if you're out of state. So there you go. Happy to do it. Looking forward to your phone call. Guess what I heard this morning? Mick Jagger, Rolling Stones. Today's his 80th birthday, and he's still going strong. What? And he has a young ballerina wife, and he has a 6-year-old son. I think he has 5 or more children. He's lived quite a life. So anyway, nothing's slowing him down. So there you go. Happy birthday, Mick. There you go. It's all good. It's making 80 look pretty good. All right. I think that's it for today. I will definitely see you tomorrow.